Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve CBSE NCERT textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. This is the fourth subsection. Problem is like this. Places A and B are 100 km on a highway. One car starts from A and another car starts from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars, right? So just visualize this problem with some small diagram. So let us say you are given with two places A and B, and these two places are 100 kilometer apart, right? So let us say the distance between points A and B is 100 kilometer, right? So one car started at point A, right? And another car started at point B, right? With different speeds. So let us say this has a speed of x kilometer per hour, and the other car that has started from point B has a speed of y kilometer per hour, right? And if the cars are traveling in the same direction, suppose say both are traveling to the right side, suppose say both are traveling like this, then they meet in 5 hours. So they both are going like this, somewhere at point C they are meeting, right? That is, the car started from A has to travel from A to C. Has to travel from A to C. This total distance A to C, that is 100 kilometers plus BC with a speed of x kilometer per hour in 5 hours. Right? Similarly, the car started from point B has to travel a distance of BC with a speed of y kilometer per hour in 5 hours. Right? That is, they both are meeting at some point C. Now, what we know from here, AB is equal to 100 kilometers, that I know. Then AC is equal to AB plus BC, isn't it? So only these two things I know. And we know speed is nothing but distance by time, right? So the car that has started from A is traveling at a speed of x kilometer per hour, traveled a distance of how much? AB plus BC totally. In how much time? 5 hours, right? So what is AB? X is equal to, now AB is 100 plus BC divided by 5, right? Till here we know, right? Next, what is that we have to know? The second equation, that is the second car Y is traveling a distance of BC divided by 5, right? So that is BC divided by 5 is nothing but Y here, right? So from here I'll write X is equal to 100 by 5 is nothing but 20 plus BC by 5. So this BC by 5 I'll write it as Y here, right? So X plus 20, X is equal to 20 plus Y, that is nothing but x minus y is equal to 20. This is our first equation here, right? X minus y is equal to 20 is the first equation. Next, second statement they are telling, if both the cars are traveling in the same direction with different speeds, suppose say A to B, the distance is 100 kilometer, right? Now the cars both are started at different points, that A and B, with different speeds, right? Suppose say this is x kilometer per hour, again this is y kilometer per hour. They both are moving towards each other, right? So like this, towards each other. Then they meet at some point, suppose say C, in 1 hour, right? That is, the car that has started from point A traveled till C in 1 hour with a speed of x kilometer per hour. Similarly, the car that has started at point B with a speed of y kilometer per hour traveled till point C in again the same time 1 hour, right? So again I'll write the distance here I know is only AB is equal to 100 kilometer, and I have taken a point C here, right? So AC plus BC we know. The total distance AC plus BC is again nothing but 100 kilometer. Till that we know. Now I'll write again. Speed is nothing but distance by time, no? So x is the speed given. Distance that it has traveled is only AC, half the part. That is some part of the full distance AB, right? So AC it has traveled divided by the time is 1 here, 1 hour, right? So x is equal to AC. This we know. Then y is equal to, it has traveled a distance of BC in time 1 hour, right? So x is equal to AC and y is equal to BC. Just substitute these two in this equation. I know now x plus y is equal to 100. So this is my equation number 2 from here. So here the two equations that we are getting are x minus y is equal to 20 and x plus y is equal to 100. Now we need to solve these two equations to get the speeds of these two cars, right? So let us try to solve this using cross multiplication method. So in cross multiplication method, I have to write them in the standard form. So I am writing them a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 form. So x minus y minus 20 is equal to 0. Then x plus y minus 100 is equal to 0. So from here, I'll write the constants. A1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to minus 1, C1 is equal to minus 20, then A2 is equal to 1, B2 is equal to 1 and C2 is equal to minus 100. By comparing it with the standard form, A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0, right? So now I know all the constant values here. Now I'll form the cross. I'll try to write down the formula here. So x, y and 1. Write down here b1, b2, c1, c2 and then a1, a2, again b1, b2. Form the crosses from up to down and down to up. Again up to down and down to up. So after writing like this, write down the formula for this. X divided by b1c2 minus b2c1 is equal to y divided by c1a2 minus c2a1, that is equal to 1 divided by a1b2 minus a2b1, right? So comparing the ratios here, I'll get x is equal to b1c2 minus b2c1 divided by a1b2 minus a2b1. As we have already written all the constants, see, that's why I'm writing here so that we can easily substitute, right? So once you're writing without any confusion, we can write down here. So b1c2 and b2c1, these two. So minus 1 into 100, that is minus 1 into minus 100, 100. Then minus of minus plus 20 divided by a1b2 minus a2b1, 1 and minus of minus plus 1. So 120 divided by 2. So it is 60. Then similarly y I'll write here. Y will be C1A2 minus C2A1 divided by A1B2 minus A2B1, right? So I know the denominator is same, 2 only, that I'll write now. C1 and A2 minus 20, right? Then minus 100 and 100, so that is minus 100, so plus 100. 80 divided by 2, that is 40, right? Now you can write x and y, we have assumed as the speeds of the cars, that you can write speed of car A is equal to 60 km per hour and speed of car B is 40 km per hour. Write it in sentence and put a box around, right? So this is the solution for this problem. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.